Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by PHP Frameworks team. I am Sanjay. We are learning Node.js with MySQL APIs. This is our part 10. Inside this video session guys, we will see that how can we write package.json file inside any Node.js application. So first thing first, let's see about what basically package.json file is. In our last video, we had seen that what basically npm is, means node package manager. So inside that session, we had understand that npm is an online tool which basically install, update and uninstall any Node.js packages from our application. So while installing any Node.js module, uninstalling or updating package.json file is the most important file for tracking about the packages inside Node.js application. So we can simply say that by the help of coordination of package.json and npm, all the in and out of Node.js modules is happening inside our application. So this is the most important file of any Node.js application. So back to next step. So what basically package.json file is? So this is some of the simplest line actually I have written. So all npm packages contains a file usually inside the project root. Let's say that this is our project. Right now it is empty. We will see in a bit that how can we generate a package.json file inside this setup. So let's say that inside this project we have 5 to 10 subfolders as well. So package.json file always resides at the root of any project, and this is named as package.json. This file holds various metadata relevant to other project like any installing or uninstalling of any packages. We are going to inside this package.json file. This file is used to give information to npm that allows it to identify that project as well as handles about the project dependencies. So how can we create a package.json file? So for that, this is the link actually npmjs.org provides. So if I copy the link, pasting it here, so by going through this link actually we understand all the concepts at the deeper level to create a package.json file. So back to terminal. Now let's say that we have a folder called project1 inside this folder. So if I type ls, let's say cd project1. So right now inside this folder we have no file. Now we are ready to generate our package.json file. So if we want to play with the npm modules, so we need to create package.json file inside our project setup. So we have two options here. Either the node itself or the system itself generate package.json file for the application, or we can generate that. So simply, firstly let's say that we are going to generate that. So project1, simply we need to write npm init something npm installation, typing enter. Now here we have to provide something, let's say package name, means all the informations we are going to store, or simply we can say that we are going to generate our package.json file. So let's say that I want, and here it has given the default name if we left blank here. So let's say that I am leaving blank, so automatically it picks about project1. So typing enter, it will specify a version something 1.0.0. This is the default version, or we can simply pass 1.0.2. Pressing enter. Now the description, let's say that we are simply learning about creating package.json file. Pressing enter. Entry point means our first project module file, something what the file name is, Let's say that our application has the starting file something or the entry file, let's app.js. So we need to provide app.js here, or simply if our project has a file index.js which is entry point, so here the default value is okay. So if we type app.js, let's say that we will make this file as the entry point file. So typing enter, test command, nothing, git repository. Right now we have no git repo, so leaving blank. Keywords, so let's say that simple file or any other keywords we can pass here. Tapping enter, author, let's online web tutor. Pressing enter, license, this is let's say by MIT, pressing enter. So now this is the view or the preview of package.json file. We are going to generate that. So here it is asking that is this okay. So simply we need to type yes, pressing enter. Now we can check inside this project 1 we have a file called package.json. So back to folder structure. Now this is the file. If I open into gedit, now all this information simply we had created by using our command npm init. So if we close this file, now before closing, all we can see that these all informations basically we have filled while creating this file. So close this. Back to our browser. Now we can see inside this documentation that if we want to generate then all the informations we can pass here, and we have to run called npm init inside our project setup. Now let's say that we are not going to pass all these informations inside writing here inside this terminal. Let's say that in a hurry position means we are urgently need a package.json file for our project. So how can we generate in the urgent basis or in the immediate basis about the package.json file? So only we need to write, let's say that we are going to delete this file first. So type delete here. Now successfully we have deleted here. There is no file right here inside this project setup. Now in the immediate position we are going to generate npm means package.json file by the system automatically. So what we have to type npm init. While tapping enter, actually we have to go multi steps and fill our form to generate package.json file. But we are not going to generate by using our steps. So we need to write npm init or -y as a flag, or let's say -y yes here. So we have two options, so either pressing y or minus yes here. So simply let's say y npm init -y means we are just telling the system to generate package.json file from my projects. So typing enter, package.json file generated successfully. What basically it does behind the scene automatically it picked all the default values and put inside package.json file and created that. So if we check by using ls command means listing of files, now here we can see about package.json. Back to folder structure, open inside gedit, and these all informations now we can see inside this package.json file. So simply guys, inside this video we had seen that how can we generate package.json file by using our multi-step wizard or by automatically by system. So in the next video we will see that how can we install third-party packages and proceed inside this playlist. So from the next lectures actually we are going to install multiple third-party modules like Express, nodejs, MySQL, body parser and many more. So inside those videos we are going to see about the coordination of npm and package.json. When any third-party packages, if we are going to install, then it will add a dependency inside our package.json file. And also, if we want to remove any packages from our project, then it will remove that command or that file name or something, that package name, from our package.json file. So simply for now, we are ready to generate package.json file for any Node.js application we had seen about automatically or by manual steps. So inside this video session guys, if you have any doubt, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.